Hello, I'm Barry with CDRAFT. Thanks for watching our videos. This video today is going to be on the base cabinet commands that we created at the beginning of 2021 and has seemed to have speeded up our world considerably when drawing casework. So taking a look at our commands, let's just look at the base cabinets for today. So let's zoom in. So we have an open base cabinet, a B0, then we got a B1, a B2, and a B3, left hand, right hand, and then the B2 is a double door unit. Then we have two open units with drawers, so you got a B10 and a B20. Then we have our door drawer units, which is a B11 and a B13, left hand, right hand, both singles. And we have two double door units, one with a single drawer at the top and one with a double drawer at the top. So we've kind of got everything handled as far as boxes go for base cabinets with countertops. So let's take a look in AutoCAD and see how these work. So the first thing we want to do when starting an elevation is we're going to insert a tag. When we insert the tag at the top right hand corner of our offset, that creates that auto insert point. So let's start off with a filler command, which is F1 left side, and 1-inch filler is fine. Countertop height is going to be 34. Wall cabinet height is 0, so space bar through. Auto insert, so again space bar through. And you can see everything come up, our blocking, our wall line, our floor line, our dimensioning, the return splash, the countertop, the toe kick, everything's in there that we need to start off that wall and start our elevation. So our first box is going to come in 1 inch off the wall. So our auto insert point has now shifted from the wall from the left hand side of that 1 inch dimension over to the right hand side. So let's do a B11. So we're going to do a 1 drawer, 1 door, hinge left, 18 wide. Countertop's already in there. We put that in there when we that came in with our filler command, so space bar through. We need our shelf, which is 1 shelf. We're going to do 1 cabinet, so space bar through. Not going to switch it, space bar through. Auto insert, so again space bar through. There's our single base cabinet. Now we want to do 3 double door, double drawer, which is a B22. Let's call them 36 inches wide. Height we already have. Number of shelves we already have. We want 3 cabinets. We're not going to switch it. Auto insert. There's our 3 base cabinets. Now we want to finish out our command on the right hand side, so we need that right hand swing. So we're going to do a B13. 18 wide. Height is there. Shelves are there. 1 cabinet. Not going to switch it. Auto insert. And to finish out, we're going to do a F2, which is a filler right. 1 inch filler is fine. Countertop height we got to put in or it'll zero out. Wall cabinet we're going to zero out, so space bar through. That takes us to our auto insert prompt. Space bar through. And we're basically done. We can do a little housekeeping. So let's adjust this dimension here. So when it prints, you can actually see the 1. Same thing here on the left hand side. Let's put FV as our fill verify. Let's add in a section key. Right there is fine. P for plastic laminate countertop. P for plastic laminate base cabinet. 1 drawer, then the height. And that's our code for this particular cabinet. It can be 1 on sheet, I don't know, 4. And I like to pull these back 11 inches because 11 is easy to type in with the pinky. Z2 is just a zoom, auto zoom to sheet 2. And that's all there is to using the cabinets. They all run the same way. When you insert 1 cabinet in, if you're going to have the next cabinet's going to be the same width, you just space bar through because it's already set. It's going to maintain that variable till you change it. Keep in mind globally the toe kick, the thickness of the countertop, the height of the splash, the thickness of the return splash, all that is handled globally. So you can modify that on a per job or per elevation basis, whatever needs to happen. And I believe that's about it. Again, this is Barry with CDRAFT. Thank you for watching.